Good morning from Zilker Botanical Gardens. This is Austin Organic Gardeners continuing our fall video lessons. If you like some technology in your gardens, I'd like to recommend a garden planner. You can find these free on the Austin Community Gardens site, or I like to use the Farmer's Almanac Garden Planner. This is a 5 by 5 square foot plan that we used at school last year. We had an Oya and a bean teepee in the center. And the plan will print out a graph which shows you when to start by seed, when to plant outdoors, and when to harvest. It also will tell you in a square foot method how many plants you need for each plant to fill in your square foot plan. We'll talk about the square foot method another time. If you have kids at home, learning how to read graphs and keys is a learning target, and you can get them involved too with when you need to start your plants.